Students, Sat Shri Akal, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Amandeep Kaur. Today's topic is subject math. So 5th class, lesson 3, highest common factor HCF and lowest common multiple LCM, exercise 3.2, and this is part 2, right? Fifth is find the HCF of the following by prime factorization method. So A part is 42 and 84. So let's factorize 42. 2 21s are 42, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So we get 1 at the bottom. So factors of 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Now factors of 84, 242 are 84, 2 21s are 42, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So factors of 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So HCF. So now let's take out the common factors which are 2, 3 and 7. So HCF is equal to 2 into 3 into 7 is equal to 42 answer. B part is 45 and 90. Answer. Now factors of 45, 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So we get 1 at the bottom. So factors of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Right? Now factors of 90, 2 45s are 90, 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So now factors of 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now let's take out common factors which are 3, 3 and 5. So HCF is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 45 answer. C part is 16, 64 and 80. Now factors of 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So factors of 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now factors of 64, 2 into 32 is 64, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now factors of 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Right? Now factors of 80, 2 into 40 is 80, 2 into 20 is 40, 2 into 10 is 20, 2 into 5 is 10 and 5 ones are 5. Now factors of 80 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now HCF common factors are 2, 2, 2 and 2. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16 answer. Now D part is 45, 90, 105. So here factors of 45, 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So factors of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Factors of 90, 2 45s are 90, 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So factors of 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now factors of 105. 3 35s are 105, 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. So factors of 105 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. Now take out common factors which are 3 and 5. So HCF is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 15 answer. Now sixth part is find the HCF of the following numbers using division method. So A part 48 and 60. Now 48 ones are 48. 60 minus 48 gives us 12. So we will take 12 as divisor and 48, right? 48 as dividend, right? So let's divide. 12 fours are 48. We get a remainder 0. So now second and last divisor is the HCF. So HCF is equal to 12 answer. Now B part is 120 and 140. So answer is 120 ones are 120. 140 minus 120 gives us 20, right? Now let's take 120 as dividend and 20 remainder, which is remainder. Let us take it as divisor. So now 26 are 120. So we get 0 remainder. So from here last divisor is 20. So HCF is equal to 20 answer. C part is 12, 18, 64. So let's take 12 and 18. Right? 12 ones are 12. 18 minus 12 gives us 6. So we will take 12 as dividend. Now 6 twos are 12. So we get 0 remainder. So from here last divisor is 6. Right? So 6 is the HCF of 12 and 18. So let's take now 6 and 64. Now let's take 6 as divisor and 64 as dividend. So let's divide. 6 tens are 60, so we get 4 remainder. Now 6 take as dividend. So 4 ones are 4, so we get 2. Now let's take 4 as dividend. So 2 twos are 4. So 4 minus 4 gives us 0 remainder. So from here the last divisor is 2. So hence HCF is equal to 2 answer. Now D part is 60, 96, 128. Now let's take 60 and 96. Let's divide. 60 ones are 60, so we get 36. Now let's take 60 as dividend. So 36 ones are 36, we get 24. Now let's take 36 as dividend. So 24 ones are 24, so we get 12. Now let's take 24 as dividend. So 12 twos are 24 and 0 remainder, right? So we get last divisor is 12. So 12 is the HCF of 60 and 96. Now let's take 12 and 128. Let's find their HCF. Now 12 tens are 120, so we get 8. Now let's take 12 as dividend. 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 gives us 4. Now take 8 as dividend. So 4 twos are 8. So we get 0 remainder. So from here last divisor is 4. So HCF is equal to 4 answer. 7th, find the largest number which divides 60, 75 and 90 without any remainder. So let's find their HCF, right? Now let's take 60 and 75. 60 ones are 60. 75 minus 60 gives us 15. So let's take 60 as dividend. Now 15 fours are 60. So we get 0 remainder. So from here 15 is the HCF, right? Now let's take 15 and 90. Now 15 6 are 90. So we get 0 remainder. So last divisor is 15. So HCF is equal to 15 is the largest number. 8th is there are 3 drums that contain 36 liter, 45 liter and 72 liter milk respectively. Find the largest vessel which can measure milk of all 3 drums completely. So let's find their HCF. Let's take 36 and 45. 36 ones are 36. We get 9 remainder. Now let's take 36 as dividend. 9 fours are 36. Gives us 0 remainder. Now from here HCF is 9. So let's take 9 and 72. 9 eights are 72. So we get 0 remainder. So last divisor is 9. So HCF is equal to 9. So vessel of 9 liter is the largest vessel which can measure milk of all 3 completely, right? So we have completed this exercise. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my videos, you can share it.